Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Silver Update on Commodity TV. This program was paid for and produced on behalf of Endeavour Silver and Sierra Madre Gold and Silver. Silver is looking great. As we predicted, the full breakout happened at $39, and now we are at $47. This means that our first price target of $46 has already been reached. The upward trend seems to be continuing. But be careful. There may also be short-term setbacks that could quickly amount to 5 to 10%, maybe a little bit more. However, we believe that the trend will continue. The next price target is $52, and then we will already be flirting with the $63 mark. This could happen quickly, meaning by Christmas at the latest, or in the first quarter, latest by 2026, but we think Christmas. What is particularly incomprehensible is that silver short sellers have resisted the reality of a physical deficit for so long. It was very clear that you can't be short on paper when you can hardly get the metal for delivery. It makes no sense. But only those who are now caught off guard understand this senseless thought process. Technically, silver looks great, and we are sticking to a price target of $111 to $114 by 2030 at the latest. We think this comes earlier. One of our old favorites is Endeavour Silver. The company has just intersected high-grade silver-lead-zinc mineralization at the Kolpa mine as part of its ongoing exploration program at the Kolpa mine in Peru. Within Corridor 3, the company completed drilling on the Poderosa West and Caudalosa Chica veins with the aim of delineating mineral resources. The Poderosa West vein, which was discovered through surface outcrops and previous drilling, has now been mapped to approximately 2.5 kilometers. Since acquiring the project, Endeavour has drilled 14 holes, totaling 2,343 meters near existing underground workings, intersecting significant zones of mineralization, including 247 grams silver per ton, 0.77% lead, 10.7% zinc, and over 0.5% copper over 8.2 meters. And in addition, 266 grams silver, 1.34% lead, 4.7% zinc, and over 0.23% copper over 5 meters estimated through thickness. Management is currently evaluating the results of surface exploration work and recent drilling to develop a comprehensive systematic exploration program at the Kolpa mine. Ongoing underground development at Poderosa West is enabling new underground drill stations from which further step-out drilling will be completed. The company has also submitted permit applications for surface drilling along the entire 2.5 kilometer long V. Drilling at Corridor 3, targeting these two important structures, is expected to resume towards the end of the fourth quarter of 2025. Kolpa looks promising, and we are awaiting the commercial production announcement for Terronera, which should be forthcoming soon. Overall, Endeavour Silver is very well positioned, and the chart also looks good. Our initial price targets of $9.5 and $10.5 Canadian dollars have been reached. The next price target is $13.5 Canadian dollars, followed by $16.50 and then $19.50 Canadian dollars for the stock. You can imagine at $63 per silver ounce that will happen. Sierra Madre Gold and Silver is a small producer with great growth potential. Production is in full swing. Growth is financed, and underground development of the Nazareno silver gold mine in the La Guitarra silver gold complex in Estado de Mexico has begun. To date, over 700 tons of mineralized material have been delivered to the Nazareno Guitarra processing plant. This material was not previously included in the mineral resource estimate. Alex Langer, CEO of Sierra Madre, said, "We are very pleased to open a third mining center at La Guitarra in less than a year after reaching commercial production at the first complex. We expect Nazareno to make a significant contribution to silver and gold production, while we continue to advance our fully financed plant expansions, which will more than double our current capacity of 500 tons per day by latest than Q3 2027, said Alex Langer. We are also very positive about Sierra Madre, and the chart looks exciting here as well. The price is clearly on an upward trend, and we are setting the next price target at $1 Canadian dollar 80. You can also find all information on our commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything related to commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and SRC, its employees, and/or myself may be or are shareholders in the companies, and I am shareholder in both companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.